Hello, my dear ones. In the last class, we have discussed the textual activities of Nevaha Salam clock. Today, also, we have to discuss the balance part. For that, please take page number 14 in your textbook. I will read the question. Look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words: pulled out, inside, called out, behind, under. Look at the sentence. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked dash a door. Look at the picture and fill in the blank with correct word. I looked dash a door. I looked behind a door. Second sentence. I looked dash a cupboard. Look at the picture and say the answer. Yes, I looked inside a cupboard. Third one. I looked dash a bed. The girl is under the bed, isn't it? I looked under a bed. I couldn't find it anywhere. Then I called out, Sheru. Sheru, my dog, came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out another book from my bag. I hope the answers are clear. Let's move on to next activity, that is fun time, page number 15. I will read the question. Here is the word clock. Write down words relating to clock. First one, make a sentence. I have a big clock at home. What is the sound of clock? Tick tick. Another word for clock is watch or time. Name different parts or times. Dial, arms, key, strap, loops, 9 o'clock, etc. Word in your language. In Malayalam, we say Khadigaram. Also, you can draw a picture of a clock in the box. I think it is clear. Next question. Here is the word morning. Now write down words related to it. You can write dawn, sunrise, sun, daylight, chirping birds, yoga, etc. You can also add any other words as you like. Children, we have successfully completed the second chapter. Now write down the answers in your textbook and learn it well. We can stop today's class here. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.